Welcome to the new Bo Lan. You're with me today. Bo's not with us. So today we're going to do a stir-fried prawns with Krachai, holy basil and chili. So basically we're going to do paste first. So 2 coriander roots, a pinch of salt, Thai garlic with the skin on, quite a fair amount of that, about 5-6 Thai shallots, and then a tablespoon, if not more, of the Malshit chilies or the Pekinul metlek. And this paste, you want it quite robust, quite coarse. You don't need a fine paste. If it's too fine, it's going to burn in the wok. And then we'll add a little bit of the Krachai, which is a rhizome similar to a wild ginger, I suppose. That's it. As you can see, it's quite a coarse paste, nothing refined about it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to prepare our prawns. We've got nice, lovely tiger prawns, so we just cut the heads off and then score down the back so that they cook nice and quickly and evenly, and then cut them into fork and spoon sized pieces. And with the heads, we'll remove the shell so that we get the tamale all through the stir fry when we're doing it. Okay, and then meanwhile we'll also prepare a little bit of the chilies. So we just got 1 red and 1 green chili. We're just going to roll cut it. So just cutting along lengthways, fork and spoon sized pieces, removing the seeds basically. A little bit of seeds fine, I mean it's spicy stir fry anyway, so a couple of seeds isn't going to make much difference. Now we'll begin to stir fry. It's really simple. We'll get everything ready. So we've got the Krachai there. We've got our kaffir lime leaves that we just scrunch up beforehand. Okay. Now we've got a nice hot smoking wok, because the reason this is called pat cha is because of the sound it makes when it hits the wok. And we're just going to put the prawns in first, just to seal them. There's the cha sound. Okay, and then in with our paste. Stir fry them together. It's hot and salty, this one, so we're on a fair amount of fish sauce. So maybe 2 tablespoons to start with. Just a pinch of sugar. It's not sweet at all, but the sugar's just there to round it out. Then we'll add a dash of stock. So just keep moving it around a bit, letting the prawns cook through. Nice and smoky from the wok, and then make it really fragrant. We're going to add our Krachai, our chilies, our lime leaf, and then we're going to finish it with a very generous amount of holy basil. And just toss it a few times in the wok with the holy basil so that it just wilts. You don't want to overcook it. And then we're going to just dish it up. But this is a lovely stir fry as part of a Thai meal with rice. Okay, and then get all the stock in there as well. That's where all the flavour is. And there you have it, pat cha gung, or stir fried prawns with holy basil and Krachai.